Live at Construction Junction, and here we have fellow collector Patrick Nese here. He also is Who Is This Guy 724 on YouTube. Check out his channel. He's got a whole plethora of ceiling fans like that. Times 10 actually. Times. That's an understatement, but he just purchased these, and right. I see we have Casablanca blades. Yeah, and even some of the white finish.
I found a proper set of blades for my summer breaks.
I bet that makes you feel fine.
Yes.
That is a song. Now,
Trying to get these out the door without damaging anything.
Well, yeah, no, that could be a problem. And right here, this is a Evergo
483LW.
483LW. Wow, look at that. I like that. Never seen it wired up like that. It doesn't have the switch housing on it.
Nope.
I still
have the nut either.
Oh wow. I got one that has a nut on it, the Salem Habitat, the one where I met up with Dan Newman. And ironically, he said I'm known for naming fans weird things. Like, up here, puppets and monsters. And if you look closely, see right there at this angle, it looks like the Tweedlebugs on Sesame Street. I can't help myself. And
we're just trying to figure out a way to get these out the door.
yeah, I know. Do you need help carrying them? Because I'll conclude the footage. Let's see the bottom of that. Oh, nice. What model Casa is that?
That is a Metropolitan 2.
Oh, wow, nice. Stack motor.
XLP.
XLP, yeah.
IntelliTouch Sans Control, of course.
I just put up a Panama I got not too far away from here on Craigslist. A1. Because my Spirit of Saturn went kaput. Did you see on the Facebook group what I did?
No, I didn't.
I think it was like
check when
I did a live video.
Yeah.
Okay. The Casa is the one you really want to be careful, protecting.
Yes.
Did they actually make? Were those blades stock or were they painted for the summer breeze?
They are painted.
That's what I thought. Because I don't remember seeing one like that. Oops. So we got some globes there. Don't want to shatter them all over the place. That would be.
That would be.
Oops. Ooh, careful. It was like.
This is proving to be quite a chore.
Yeah, I know, right? Oops.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'll put the camera down here and just want to show off what Patrick got. And okay, everybody, until then, we'll conclude the footage and stay tuned for part 2.